Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the convection fan motor assembly in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. For easier access, we recommend removing the oven door by first rotating both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket or towel. Remove the oven racks. Note the orientation of the fan cover. Then use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws to release the cover. Turn the fan motor assembly around. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the convection element. Then disconnect them. Disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the old assembly. Make sure the wires don't slip behind the rear panel. Install the new convection fan motor assembly by first connecting the wire connector. Attach the wires to the convection element terminals. Then position the assembly on the rear of the oven. Properly reposition the fan cover, then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.